Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm out and about with the family. We're just walking near our house, and not far from the edge of the village, there's like a row of just like tons and tons of cherry trees. You can see some of them are massive. That's a huge cherry tree. Basically this whole row going down, like every other tree is a cherry tree. This tree above me is a cherry tree. The one over here is a cherry tree, and some of them are incredible. They're all kind of wild, so I don't think these were planted here. And as a result, most of the cherries are really small. So you can see this is kind of like a big one for these trees. They vary. Some of them are incredibly sweet, and this one is really good. You gotta pretty much try all of them to find the good ones. And some of them are a little bit sour, which is still okay, but then some of them are super bitter, which are kind of tough to eat. Yeah, this one's really sweet. So there's just really fun kind of exploring to be had, because you can find some really amazing fruit here, and just pick as much as you want basically. I pretty much just always have it in my mind that I'm gonna spend some time and just collect a bunch and make jam out of this, because wow, this would just be so sweet. But I just simply have not had enough time, and I don't have time now either, because we're going to be going back pretty soon. But I try to just pick as many as I can kind of stuff in my mouth as I go along here. But they're incredible. I mean, they're just so sweet. Not all of them are this dark. Some of them are a little bit more like red or pink. But yeah, wow, holy smokes, these things are amazing. Just wild cherries growing all through the area here. And there are really cool other plants to be had too. There's a couple of apple trees I found along the way just growing as well. Those look like they may have been planted, cultivated types. And then this, I'm really happy to have just found today. I didn't realize this was growing here. This is called Foraging in Hungarian, which I just looked up because I didn't know the name of it in English. This is called blackthorn. And this is a fantastic little plant. Try to find one with some fruit on it. This ripens a lot later. Actually, wait, this might not be it. Sorry, it might be down here this way. Let's see. I saw one of them with a bunch of fruit. Having trouble finding it now. If I find it, I'll do another video. But anyway, here we are at another, cherry tree. Just amazing cherries to be had. Just look at how many there are. They're beautiful. So yeah, if you guys are out and about, keep your eyes peeled. You could find a bunch of bunch of good eating for free. Oh, and here it is. Yeah, here's one with some fruit on it. So this is the blackthorn. So these things, when they get ripe, it'll be late fall. They will get super dark blue, almost like black colored. Well, I guess like a purple color, but really dark blue, and they're very tasty. You can see a bunch more here. I was just having trouble finding it on the other one. Yeah, I'm gonna try to plant one of these in our garden as well. They're really good. Yeah, so anywho, hope you guys enjoyed this. Look around for some free food, and you never know what you might find. See you in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, just one more. Beautiful red color, incredibly sweet, and just look at the bounty here. This was on the way back here. Look at the size of this tree, man. You could spend all day here and not pick it all. That thing is probably about, I don't know, close to 2 feet across. It's just awesome. Huge tree, just keeps going forever, and just so much fruit on here. Look at that. Unbelievable. And there's another huge tree right there, and then just a bunch of smaller ones all growing around it. And like I said, man, every other tree or so has incredible tasting fruit. Alright, see you guys. Bye.